Let's talk a little bit about what claims a company can make when they're selling their products. So this may be something that you would have considered when you're reading a label. If a product says this may help support bone health, this may help support your brain or your mind, how is it legally that a company can do that? Well, under the Dietary Act, which I mentioned previously, a company can make structure function claims. So those structure function claims simply mean that the company can claim based on the research. It doesn't have to be their own research, it can be the research in the literature, but that studies have shown that this nutrient or this formula of nutrients do specific things to the body through these structure function aspects of our physiology. So again, for example, vitamin D helps to support bone health. That's a very common one that we see today. Vitamin D is something that's exploding all over the literature, not only for brain health, but for lots of other things too, but that's a very common one. What you cannot do is talk about diagnosing, treating, curing, or preventing any disease. That's an absolute no-no. You don't go there when you talk about nutrition or nutrients. That's simply the territory for drugs, but you make that specific claim on the label to say that the product does not do these things, and that's where you stand legally, and that's where you stand by the law. So again, structure function claims are very important, and they can be used legally by dietary supplement companies.